Good morning, Hey Sick Form. Welcome to the Friday Assembly, the online version. If you do not have your lanyard on, can you put your lanyard on now? And if you're wearing a coat, could you take it off, please? First, just a reminder about work experience. You should have now all been sent your link to Unifrog if you're in year 12. Can you make sure to click on the Unifrog link? Make sure you can sign in. If you have any problems, go and see Ms. Stewart in G1H, or you can email me, myself, Silva, or Ms. Moulton Brady. And you should start looking for placements. It's very exciting, I think. So yes, please do have a look into that. Just as I don't have a slide for it, but year 13, can you make sure that your UCAS forms are being sent in? I know we've had quite a lot in the last week, which is fantastic. I think we're up to about 50 that we've sent off. So keep them coming, keep those personal statements coming. Well done on the people who are getting offers. It's very exciting. Another exciting thing is for year 12. At the end of the year, we go on a end of year trip to a place called Stubbers. It's the most amazing adventure camp. We go for the weekend. There's, as you can see from the picture here, you can see some of the current year 13s. There's paddle boarding, axe throwing. You stay in a tent. There's wall climbing and lasers, and so it's very good. I asked two of our year 13s, Jordan and Bish, to give us what they thought about it. How was Stubbers last year?
It was very fun, an amazing opportunity. We got to experience different stuff, got to do different activities, and stayed active all the time.
Stubbers was fun, yeah. Socialising with different people. I didn't even look into his, which is crazy.
Yeah. Would you recommend that the year 12 should go?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, of course.
What was your best part?
The canoeing.
I would say the paddleboarding and the team activities.
Everything on the lake.
Yeah.
Right, thank you. How was Stubbers like? Right, I'm just going to show you another video. Which As you can see, it's a lot of fun. Just so you know, we do have limited places, so information will be coming out next week with prices and booking your paying your deposit. We're very excited to announce this 3-day residential trip and very fortunate to have secured a booking because it's really popular. As you can see, like the amounts of stuff you can do, and obviously it's in summer, so it's brilliant. Especially we had a brilliant weekend last year with the sun shining. Stubbers is a leading residential centre, and they deliver really rewarding educational programs. So we had a good time. Come and join the fun, but you must be quick. Like I said, we've got limited places. Also, when I talk about the points for the Christmas party, you need enough points to go to the prom and to go on the Stubbers trip. So just keep that in mind as well. Just a reminder, in case you didn't get to see this yesterday, we have relaunched the Tutor Cup. Just certain activities of the Tutor Cup. One of them is to build the big, best Christmas decoration or festive decoration as a tutor group. You can see the examples on the screen here from last year and the year before, actually. I've heard some really exciting ideas yesterday, so please do get thinking with your tutor group and try and get everyone involved. With the Christmas party, last week I gave my side of the assembly an update on points, but it was everyone's points. So this was last week's points. Only 50 of you were actually going to get a chance to buy the tickets. However, we did a big push this week on teachers, and I can see some of you have hassled your teachers because the scores on the door this week are 119 of you are now over 525. So well done. That's a brilliant push on house points. And quite frankly, I think a lot of you deserve them. So well done. 108 of you are now in the green. 217 are in the brownie color. You can still make it. There's still time. We've got just under a month until the actual party. So definitely get pushing your tutors. If you belong to any clubs, if you helped out, thank you very much for everyone who helped out on open evening. I think that's where a lot of those points came from. It was brilliant to see you all. And the 69 that are under 500, you can really do a push yourself. You can still make it. So please do keep that in mind over the next month. A reminder as well that it is fancy dress. You can see here some costumes from previous years as well. Last time I also did a top 10 on points just so that we could see who was in the top 10. This week, fantastically, I can't do a top 10. I have to do a top 40 because there are 40 of you that have over 550 points. So that's even more than 525, with our top people being Sophie, Ariane, and Naratu. So well done to everyone who has got over 5 to 5, but it would have been way too many for the screen. Just a reminder that being late is costing a lot of you points, so be on time. Finally, have a great and safe weekend. Please keep making notes, keep revising, and if you have any issues or anything you want to talk to me or Ms. Multibrady about, please do find us. I know times like Christmas can be quite stressful. Revisions can be quite stressful. So please, we are available to speak to you, and your tutors are a fantastic bunch of people. So please do reach out if you need any help. But otherwise, have a great weekend.